One of my pet peeves are coaches and parents that get on umpires because they think they're getting an inconsistent strike zone when they really just don't understand the dimensions of the game. I see this when the umpire calls a strike on the outside corner for one batter and then not on another batter who is batting from the opposite side. The coach is reacting based on where he saw the catcher receive the ball, but he's not factoring in the differences caused by a right-handed pitcher facing a righty versus lefty batter. Here's a schematic of a full-sized field from the pitcher's mound to home plate. Shown here is the location where a right-handed pitcher will release the ball, 24 inches off of center and 6 feet down the hill. There will be some variation based on where the pitcher set his feet along the pitching rubber, and others like sidearm pitchers will release it even farther to the side, but let's use this as the average. Here is home plate. The back line indicates where the catcher would typically receive the ball at the back of the batter's box. Since the pitch is released out wide, it has to traverse back at an angle towards the plate. The illustrated baseballs mark the location of the inside and outside corners. When I plot a straight pitch trajectory and add the dimensions, you can see what the umpire sees. From where the ball is caught, the left-hand corner is 9 inches from the center of the plate. Since the plate is 8.5 inches on either side, that means the ball is caught directly behind the plate's left edge. The right-hand or outside corner would be caught at more than 12 inches from center. And remember that many youth baseball umpires will add an extra baseball's width, or about 3 inches, to the outside of the strike zone. An outside strike could be caught 6 to 7 inches off the right edge of the plate. Now also consider that many of the pitches that a righty uses will break outside, meaning that the ball isn't even following a straight line, but instead is curving outward. That curve pushes the ball even farther outside as it travels to the catcher. This will make the outside corner look even farther out to the untrained eye. So don't yell at an umpire unless you have the same view of the plate that he does. Take the angle and curve of the pitch into account. You should be aware of this geometry as a pitcher too. When you are facing a batter with the same handedness as yourself, like if you're both right-handed, then your advantage area is on the outside. You will not have as much room outside against an opposite-handed batter, though. Your advantage area might be on the inside, but you risk hitting the batter, and you're pitching into the batter's swing, making these batters harder for you to deal with.